Probing the depth. Mastering probing questions in English. Hello, language explorers. Welcome to another engaging session where we will delve into an exciting aspect of English language: probing questions. This tool can significantly enhance your communication skills, especially in debates and discussions. We'll learn what probing questions are, why they're important, and how to use them effectively. Let's get started. Probing questions are like detective tools in a conversation, used to dig deeper into a person's thoughts or arguments. They help to reveal further information, clarify misunderstandings, and uncover the underlying reasons or emotions. Usually, they are open-ended, meaning they can't be answered with a simple yes or no. They encourage the respondent to provide more detailed or thoughtful answers. Examples include, "Why do you think that? Can you elaborate on that point?" and "What led you to this conclusion?" Probing questions are a crucial tool in effective communication, particularly in debates and discussions. They serve multiple purposes. 1. Understanding. They allow us to better understand the speaker's perspective. 2. Clarification. They help clarify any ambiguities or misunderstandings. 3. Critical thinking. They encourage both the questioner and the respondent to think more deeply about the topic. So, whether you're debating a hot topic, participating in a group discussion, or simply having a casual conversation, probing questions can take your communication skills to a higher level. Now let's look at some techniques for asking probing questions. 1. Be specific. Use specific points from the speaker's previous statements to create your probing question. This shows you've been actively listening and are invested in understanding their perspective. 2. Stay open-ended. Keep your questions open-ended to invite more detailed responses. Avoid questions that can be answered with a simple yes or no. 3. Be neutral. Phrase your questions neutrally. Avoid sounding accusatory or judgmental to maintain a positive conversational tone. 4. Be patient. Allow the respondent time to think and respond. Don't rush them or cut them off. Here are a few examples. Can you explain more about how you reached that conclusion? What experiences have shaped this belief? What do you think the implications of this would be? And that wraps up our exploration of probing questions. Remember, using probing questions effectively can greatly enhance your communication skills, helping you to engage in more meaningful, productive, and insightful discussions. We hope this video has been helpful in mastering this useful tool. Happy probing, and until next time, keep exploring the depth of the English language.